with the exploded view or the explosion created, next thing to do is put this into a drawing file so that you can communicate how your puzzle is assembled to somebody else. So I create a new, or I'm going to actually open my title block template, and I need to maintain a blank template in my folder. And here I'll save it first and save this as exploded view drawing, because this is a drawing file, an IDW. And now I can select my base view, and I will use that IPN or presentation file as my base view. And it looks like I have two. Take the one I just created, and I will shade it, and I'm going to select current so it will put it in at the current as it currently looks in the presentation file. I will scale it down so that it fits, and click done. Once it's in, I can grab these red border around it to move it around, and you'll fill out the title block using the field text over here as you normally do. And the next thing that you'll have to do, though, is put in an annotation called a parts list. So I select the annotate toolbar, then I click on parts list, and I select the correct assembly, which is the puzzle, and I use that as my source of my parts list. And then I click OK, and I lock it into the upper right corner, or try to maneuver it into the upper right corner. Now what it does is takes the parts and puts them here, the item number, the quantity, the part number, and space for a description. The next thing that you want to do is add balloons, which are small pullouts that identify each part. What you do is click on the edge and then pull off to the side and double click. Click on the edge, pull off to the side, and double click. Once you have that done and each part is labeled once,